Hi guys, this is Yolanda from inkwelleditorial.com with another video in the Imperfectly Perfect video series. There is a link below about what this series is in case this is your first time here. But today I want to talk to you about how to bring on more freelance writing clients without actually going out and marketing for them. And the simple thing is to focus on the clients that you already have and start this from day one. Most of us tend to focus on getting new clients. After all, that's what marketing is all about. But there's this thing called the Pareto principle, which says that 80% of your business will come from 20% of your clientele. But most of us wind up focusing on that other part. We don't focus on that 20%. We're always marketing for new clients. So what I tell freelance writers is to make up a marketing schedule at the beginning of your freelance writing career and include on that when you're going to circle back and touch existing clients. Because once we have a client, we tend to kind of take them for granted. Like when we get in a relationship, we kind of start taking our partner for granted. Well, most of us don't do that, but some of us do. So you need to nurture your existing clients too. And a great way to do that is after you've done a few projects for them and they know your work and you feel comfortable working with them, offer them a discount on future projects, or offer them referral incentives or bundle services and give them a discount on it. The main thing is to work into your marketing plan how you're going to keep in contact with those clients that you bring on. Because, and I am so guilty of this in my freelance writing career, is, I'll get a client, you do project after project after project, and then when you get a dry spell, that's when you tend to go back and go, oh, let me touch my list. But if you haven't been nurturing them all along, that's much harder to get work for them. They'll remember you, and if they like your work, if they have it, they'll give it to you. But it just makes it so much easier if you stay in contact with them all along, because they could be sending referrals your way, they could have different projects that they want you to work on. You just never know. So again, just like when you're in a relationship, a romantic relationship, you have to nurture that relationship. You have to nurture existing clients too. Don't forget about them. As a matter of fact, they're already proven entities. They know your work, they have paid you, they are familiar with you, so it's easier to get work from them. So don't forget that, okay? All right, I'm going to put a link below about what we've just discussed here. And just in case you're wondering, what is that thing hanging off your face? I am in Antigua. I'm an American freelance writer, but I am in Antigua visiting my boyfriend. I've been here since March. It's now May, and it's during the coronavirus pandemic. So that's what this thing is hanging off my face. It's my mask. And so forgive the car noises. I'm on my way back from the grocery store walking. It's when I tend to record my tips. So forgive the traffic noise, and hope you found something useful in this tip. And I'll see you next time in the Imperfectly Perfect video series. Okay, bye guys.